The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and ability to affect those around him positively. Such has been the life of His Royal Highness Igwe Chukwudi Ngudile Agodong III of Apo Kingdom, a great man whose greatness speaks through the number of lives he has transformed. Igwe Chukwudi Ngudile carried the mantle of leadership and looking out for people's welfare from his late father. Just like the saying, an apple does not fall far from its tree. Through years of relentless studies, Igwe C. Ngudile was being built by God to have all the qualities it takes for extraordinary leadership. His marriage to Lolo Edith Ngudile, Nee Alumana, has always set high standards for younger generation to emulate. His wife has been a pillar of support and strength to him all these years. Traveling teaches more than a classroom would, and the leaders are readers. So it comes as little surprise to know that His Royal Highness Igwe Ngudile enjoys a bit of both, traveling and reading. Always ready to learn something new, to get better and help everyone around him to equally get better. Ascending the throne in 2014, His Royal Highness Igwe Chukwudi Ngudile has taken the kingdom of Abo to greater heights. Not many are lucky in a lifetime to witness true nobility and greatness, but we all are, as we celebrate Igwe Chukwudi Ngudile on his first Ofala festival. We celebrate a man who symbolizes greatness and prestige.
It's Gazi Craft Productions.
Nambo ito ino ise isi asa anyeche kama tanda kwa shirike nuku onyo dogodo ofuto weruma tancha iyo anyeche kama tanda kwa shirike nuku evunke meje nke ya na nyijironu anyeche kama tanda kwa shirike nuku obera bega na neba aburo bodayo anyeche kama tanda kwa shirike nuku iyo shirike nuku
Kobalo no mess maka, Kobalo no guys maka, my guys bato bodo bodelo, my guys bato bodo bodelo. And when my boys in the go no cake, boys in the cake go no cake. Gaba so banana, walk banana, aging could zero for me so Kalechi numbuziana. The chance I made so far chief funes and when you come. I put it that waffy gum a bit of woman over and the more I rock quick and my number behind I come. No come on the corner water. She know your cholobo waga. Put a color like a color for soup, yan in a home kamaka. It by that demo by that. We dress again in a badja. Tabuta, Mubago, one kit and a maja.
Nambo ito ino ise isi asa anyeche kama tanda kwa shirike nuku